Longtime Tesla bull Steve Wesley has previously said that Tesla is well positioned for enormous growth in the EV industry. And now he has reiterated his bullishness on the car company after he disclosed in a recent interview that Tesla is still going to have a 10 times advantage over its competitors, adding that 2023 is going to be a massive year for the automaker. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla's recent price cut has been followed by a series of bullish comments from Tesla bulls, and the aftermath of the price cut is consistently indicating that Tesla is going to have an incredible year. Steve Wesley, a former Tesla board member and founder of Wesley, in a CNBC interview, said that Tesla's price performance and its cut is a significant advantage over its competitors and its Cybertruck, which are soon to become significant drivers for the car company in the future. According to Wesley, Tesla has started a price war that other EV makers weren't prepared for, and it may force these companies to lower their prices. What are the effects of Tesla's price cut on other EV makers? Let's find out, but before we do, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Former Tesla board member and Tesla bull Steve Wesley has said that Tesla is putting its competitors in a difficult situation, where they either lower their car prices or risk losing a majority of their market shares to Tesla. When a leading company like Tesla cuts prices, all its rivals feel pressure and follow suit, and this is beginning to play out. Ford recently announced that it was cutting prices of the Mustang Mach-E, an electric SUV, to compete against the Model Y, and it had dropped prices between $900 and $5,900. However, the issue is not with these companies raising prices, but the fact that they ordinarily do not make money on EVs, and so cutting prices on these cars is going to mean even more losses. Wesley is particularly keen on Tesla's Cybertruck and believes that the electric vehicle will be a game changer for Tesla. After years of waiting, Musk has said production of the Cybertruck could be finally ready, and the truck could be sold to consumers during the middle or end of 2023. Production for the electric truck is scheduled to start at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas in June. Musk has been hyping the Cybertruck as not only Tesla's best vehicle, but also the possibility of it being the best product ever. While the launch of the vehicle in 2019 wasn't without issues, with unbreakable window demonstrations failing spectacularly and the polarizing design of the truck, the hype behind it has been quite successful. Musk also announced that Tesla received over 250,000 reservations for the truck within a week of unveiling it, and generally Tesla receives a lot of reservations early after an unveiling, and then they taper off, but that just wasn't the case here. According to reports, some Tesla stores were getting hundreds of reservations per week, even during the pandemic. Cybertruck pre-orders helped to boost sales massively. In 2021, a crowdsourced Cybertruck reservation tally was putting the pre-orders at over 1 million, and now, back in 2022, the same tally put Tesla's Cybertruck reservations at over 1.5 million units. Also, Tesla is aiming to produce 50,000 Tesla Semi units per year in 2024. According to Elon Musk, the company is going to be ramping up production through next year. Musk said, "As I think everyone knows at this point, it takes about a year to ramp up production. We are tentatively aiming for 50,000 units in 2024 for Tesla Semi in North America, and obviously we're going to expand beyond North America. Tesla would sell. I don't want to say the exact price, but they're much more than a passenger vehicle." According to the report, while a product target of 50,000 units per year does sound conservative for Tesla, which produces 20,500 units per week in its gigafactory in Shanghai this fourth quarter of 2022, such an output would already be incredibly impressive. However, although Wesley believes in Tesla's potential to continue dominating the EV markets, he does believe that the automaker's got a strong competition with BYD. In October 2022, Steve Wesley stated that his opinions are that the only company in the world that can truly compete with the US electric vehicle giant is BYD. At the time, the Tesla bull added that BYD will likely hit 1 million EV units produced and sold compared with Ford, with probably about 60,000 units and GM struggling to hit 50,000. According to Wesley, right now it looks like Tesla and the Chinese battle. And while he said that Volkswagen has a solid third place in terms of speed, the Tesla bull also said that it's Tesla and Chinese. Wesley believes in the future of the energy business, and according to him, in the near future, people will not be looking for electric vehicles, but rather other clean technologies like solar. He said that the world's transforming from one of oil and gas to a world of technology, and solar and wind power are going to be the main energy sources. His firm, the Wesley Group, an early Tesla investor, recently raised $300 million to invest in startups focused on transforming industries, like energy, transport, and technology. The Wesley Group aims to invest in transformative companies focused on the digitization and sustainability of energy, mobility, buildings, industrial technology, and cybersecurity. The new fund plans to make investments of $5 to $15 million to companies to accelerate commercial growth and build partnerships. Speaking at the ONS 2022 International Energy Conference in Stavanger, Norway, Wesley said that the drop in lithium-ion battery prices, the transformation of oil and gas to technology, is evident, citing the example of the fall in solar energy prices from the highs of $77 per watt to the current plunge to 30 cents per watt. Installed capacity has reached 183 gigawatts. Steve Wesley further explained that this is the beginning of the new energy world and the world of sustainable energy. He added that we're in a period of wind and solar, and they're getting cheaper and more sustainable, and we're seeing the transition from the world of oil and gas to the world of technology. He also maintains that the cost decline in batteries over the last 10 years is evident because of this transition. He also said that battery installed capacity, which is currently 770 gigawatt hours, will be 3.7 terawatt hours in 2030, when 70% of vehicle sales will be electric. He added that GM will produce only EVs by 2035 and Volvo by 2030 and Chrysler by 2028. Given these changes that can take place over 10 years, he anticipates that companies like Tesla will play a pivotal role and should be considered an energy company given the technological advances that they've got in batteries. It's notable that even in 2014, Tesla alone had 24 supercharger stations, and now it's got 520. All these show us that transformation has happened and it will happen. In 2022, Steve Wesley told CNBC that Tesla will soon be facing intense competition in the electric vehicle industry. He said that in addition to Audi and Porsche's luxury EVs, affordable EVs are planned to compete with Tesla and Chinese companies like NIO, Li Auto, and they're currently making cheaper EVs for consumers on a budget. According to Wesley, these companies are getting competition from all sectors, and they're going to have to double to compete. However, while it is good to be conscientious of the growing competition, it is always important to note that Tesla continues to grow irrespective of the increasing competition. In April 2021, Musk predicted that the Model Y would be the best-selling vehicle, and although he wasn't sure if it would happen in 2022, he was confident that the electric SUV would take the global crown from Tesla's Corolla in 2023. And now that seems that this predictive will likely come to pass. According to a report from Focus to Move, the Model Y is now the fourth best-selling vehicle worldwide after an astonishing 88% jump from 2021 to 2022. There were 759,000 Model Ys sold last year, just 28,000 units behind the third place Ford F-150, which had been the best-selling truck for the previous 46 years. Tesla claimed the two top spots with the RAV4 at 870,000 and the Corolla seeing 1.12 million. However, while the runway is still clear for the Model Y to vie for the world's best-selling car title in 2023, there are some crucial elements to achieve that goal. First, it's got to reach the top spot, and the Model Y has to increase its sales by approximately 60% compared to last year, which is an achievable goal considering that Giga Texas and Giga Berlin factories are continuing to produce 500,000 cars per year. During Tesla's Q4 earnings call, Musk stated that Tesla plans to produce about 1.8 million vehicles in 2023, up about 37,000 from 2022. Musk later added that Tesla may be able to reach 2 million vehicles in 2023, which would increase the units overall to 52% over its 2022 numbers. Likewise, demand has been on the high side in the wake of recent price drops, and Bank of America predicts that Tesla's volume to jump 53%, up from its original forecast of 17% growth. Also, Musk said during this fourth quarter earnings call that the company is receiving the most orders year to date in history. Plus, the price tag for the Model Y and Model 3 is now very close, and as a result, many buyers are considering getting into the slightly larger Model Y over the Model 3. Steve Wesley stated that the EV company is growing at a significant rate, with Tesla taking the lead. And while there are several EV companies coming into the market, it's going to take a while before anyone can dethrone Tesla. But what do you think? Let us know down below, and don't forget to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to in the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.